Mistykla, unlike some of the other apps, already comes with a GUI for your desktop. We have this desktop application where you could set up Claw, configure it, create your agents, all this great stuff, as well as talk to your agents from your desktop. But you may also want to talk to your Mistykla agents on the go. And we have a couple options for that for mobile devices. If you go down to settings, remote routes is where you can set up your connection to Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, all with their own mobile applications. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to make a connection with Telegram. I've already created a Telegram bot in the past, but I'm going to show how you could create a new one. And for those looking at this and don't even want to set up a Discord, Telegram, or a WhatsApp application on your mobile device, well, don't worry. In the very near future, we're going to have our own Misty Claw application available on iOS and Android devices. On the Misty Claw desktop app side, what you'll do is click on New Remote Route, and then select Telegram, and then click on Next. And I already have a Telegram bot here. You won't see this option, so what you'll want to click on is Create New, because you'll create a new one. And then you want to give this a connection name, which is just internal to Misty Claw, and then enter a bot token. And this is where we're going to go to Telegram, and I'm going to show you how to create a bot on Telegram itself. And this is where most of the setup is going to actually take place. All right, I have Telegram here, and the first thing that you want to do is start a new message. And in here, what we're going to do is have a conversation with a tool with another bot called BotFather. So within the Telegram world, the BotFather bot is what creates other bots within Telegram. So an easy way to find it, just go to the search, type in BotFather, and it is this right here at the very top. You know it's official with that blue check mark. And then BotFather is going to show you a list of things that it could do. The main command that you'll send is the /new bot. Let's go ahead and send that message, new bot. And this is going to take us through the workflow of creating a new bot for Telegram. All right, and the first thing is what we want to call it. This needs to be a unique name in Telegram. How about we do Boba11, blah, 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 blah. I'm just putting in random characters. And let's send that off, and hopefully it's not taken. All right, cool. So I can use this bot, and now let's choose a username for it. So I must in bot, for example, TristyBot or TetrisBot. Okay, well, I guess that needs to be unique as well. So I have this name for it. Can I, I'm liking my own comments there. Can I just copy that? I want to copy that. Nope. Oof. Man, this is difficult doing this mirror thing here. Okay, and let's call that _bot. All right, send that off. And cool, now we have that new bot. And what we'll need in here is this token. Can I just copy this somehow? It says text copy to clipboard, probably the whole thing. But what we really need is this API token right here. And it looked like I did just copy only that, but we need that token. And that is correct. So I'm going to paste it there. We'll click on connect to make sure that is all correct. And it looks like it is. And at this point, I'm regretting not giving that more of a unique name because now I have these duplicate names. But whatever, let's proceed. And I'm going to click on next. And then the next thing that you'll need is the chat ID. So back here on my phone, what I could do is just click on the name of my bot. And that should take me into a new conversation. And then let's start having a conversation with it. And then I'm going to send it the command /chat ID. And then that should return just that chat ID I need. Let me see if I could copy that. And let's paste it in there. Oh, that looks good. All right. And then let's click on next. Let's say anyone in this chat. Next. And then create route. Okay, cool. So I have that route created now. And I'm going to edit the name of this to teledemo. And save that out. Okay, now it's teledemo. Now I can differentiate it a little more. And now I want to create a new agent and associate it to this route so I could have a chat with it. Okay, I'm going to go back and then click on manage agents and let's create a new agent. All right, we'll use teledemo and then Quen 3.6, that's fine. And then let's just go through this real quick. I call my agent Dan the man. And all right, so we have it teledemo, create agent, and then done. Okay, now back in my iPhone, I'm just gonna say hi and see if it worked. And I can see at the very top that it is typing back to me. Since I used a local model on MLX, it's going to take a little time to fire up. But after that initial fire up and response, then it should be a little more peppy in its responses. All right, I got the response back, and let's see what's on my mind. Let's just say not much. And again, I see the bots typing back, and then I get the response here. And let's say I'm no longer on the go, but I'm back at my desktop, and maybe I want to pick up my conversation from the desktop app that I started here on my mobile device. So to do that, I'm going to go back here and then go into unfiled, and then it should be this very first one I see here. And yep, we see the conversation that I had, and then I could just pick it back up here and then just say something like, tell me a funny joke. And there we go, we got the response. So that's how you can set up a bot on Telegram really quickly and then connect to that bot from your Msty Claw account.